Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nuri Iman Binti Razzi.
My name is Zamani Binti Mansur.
My name is Nur Atika Binti Supardi.
Today we want to explain about our innovation project. Our innovation project is pineapple plant clamp. First is introduction. Pineapple plant clamp is developed to remove the pineapple plant affected by bacterial heart rot disease more easily. Furthermore, by using this, it can protect our hand from directly pineapple thorn and bacterial heart rot disease. Some of material we use from recycled material such as detergent bottle, pipe PVC and B7 stud board. Next is description of the problems. In certain solution of the pineapple plant is infected with BHR disease that caused by a soft root bacteria. It will cause the affected plant develop a blister like leaf lesion. When unroot, the middle part is often rotten and smelly. Therefore, the problem that we want to solve is for protect our hand from pineapple thorn and bacterial heart rot during the process disposal of affected pineapple in pineapple farm. This idea was created because the product can carry out the process of removing infected pineapple plants without touch the rotten part of the plant with hands.
Objective of innovation project: first, to facilitate the removal process of affected rotten pineapple plants. Second, to safeguard the pineapple grower from pineapple thorn caused by BHR disease during removal of bacterial heart rot. What are the advantage of the innovation project? First, facilitate the process of removing BHR disease infected plants. Second, save the environment because using recycled materials such as detergent bottle to reduce the disposal of plastic bottles. Third, can reduce the cost of labor because this tool can save more time. Fourth, prevent the transmission of bacterial infection from other pineapple to plant and to human. For this innovation project, we just use 3 materials. First, pipe PVC to connector for handle with gripper. Second, detergent bottle, just use for gripper and handle. Third, we use B7 stud board to connector for both PVC so that like a clamp.
And this our costing. Material that we use is pipe PVC, B7 stud board and detergent bottle. Price per unit for B7 stud board is RM2.70, and for pipe PVC and detergent bottle, no price because we use recycled material. For quantity that we use is for pipe PVC we use 2 pipes, and B7 stud board we use 5 screw, and detergent bottle we use 2 bottles. For our grand total is RM2.25. Lastly, our conclusion is pineapple plant clamp will work more become easier for the pineapple grower to remove affected plants at the affordable price. Okay, that's all from our group and thank you.